If you don't know what a spike is, they are volume lashes unfanned, and that's pretty much what I'm doing at this point. I'm only placing spikes on the top layer. I want these spikes to be very, very noticeable. If you don't know what a spike is, they are volume lashes unfanned, and that's pretty much what I'm doing at this point. If you are somebody that has been struggling with spikes or wispy styling, I recommend for you guys to check out my signature styling wispy course. Just keep that in mind, is that when you start right in the center, you're going to work your way towards the outer corner, especially for like a natural or a doll eye style. So now we're getting into section 15, and again we're going to count a couple lashes over, then we're going to place a lash in section 15, and of course you want to make sure that you are fully isolating. I know some lashes look like they're kind of getting in the way, but I promise you guys nothing was getting stuck, just because there's some lashes underneath that are kind of tilted to the side, but I promise you guys I'm fully isolating, nothing was getting stuck, and if something was, then I made sure that I went back and I removed it.